What would you call a heating and cooling system that fits your lifestyle, fits your comfort needs, fits your space and your budget? Introducing the new Daikin Fit, the perfect fit for you and your family.
Alexa, lower the living room temperature.
Temperature lowered by 2 degrees.
Advanced inverter technology eliminates the on and off cycles of the past, working in an always-on, self-regulated state that ramps up or down to maintain consistent comfort throughout your home, even when guests are trying to warm it up. Minimize airborne particles with premium air filtration that makes the air inside your home as refreshing as the outside air. Dust, cat dander, pollen, and microparticles are trapped, making the air you breathe as light and clean as your healthy lifestyle demands.
Fresh mojitos.
You're speaking my language.
When home life includes outdoor living, the new Daikin Fit fits right in. Its compact, side discharge design lets you reclaim your backyard, patio, or balcony space with ultra-quiet technology that never interferes with your natural surroundings. Energy efficiency, superior air quality, and comfort, all designed to be as unnoticeable as the air itself. We call that the perfect fit. Daikin, Air Intelligence.